fender in.
What? All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the E36 here, but it needs a big upgrade. It's Ian Jr., our classic drift missile E36. Today it's getting some coilovers. Ooh, no, wait, yeah, I got you. our Kevin is crippled.
Yeah, very disabled right now.
Oh my God! Okay, so right now, I think friction's the only thing holding this all together. Wow!
Oh, heck yeah! Wow, it came out so easy.
There we go.
Nice.
First one out. Ooh.
Is it all loosey-goosey or something?
It's a little loosey-goosey. These are pretty shot, I think. Check out the comparison. Crusty, old. They were red, which is cool. That's cool. Red. Fresh BCs. Okay, we're dropping down, seeing what fitment looks like right now, and then gonna adjust accordingly a little bit. Okay, this is a lot less aggressive. Well, not a lot, it's a little bit less aggressive than before, but we're gonna have a new issue where we're gonna be poking a lot.
Time for a wide body!
Just pulled out the old absorber from the rear, new one going in. We also got stock springs out of there, new BC springs. Same thing in the rear, we're going for about the same ride height as we currently were at. Just needs to kind of match that and set the rebound and everything right. So kind of messing with it. I really don't know what I'm doing as far as how this is gonna feel. Watch some videos online, we'll see how it is, and it's gonna be kind of some trial and error to see how I like it. But yeah, there we go. Suspension's on, I'm gonna do a first fitment test, see how this looks. If I'm being honest, I'm pretty nervous of how it's gonna look. I don't wanna have to go and redo much stuff, so hopefully it looks pretty good first time. Okay, moment of truth, let's see. Okay, that's for sure a lot higher than it was before, but it's also probably gonna settle in quite a bit. Yeah, that's pretty high, dude. Well, I'm not gonna rub, that's for sure. Yeah, I probably want it a little bit lower than that for now. Rubbing has been an issue, but I still want it to look fairly low. Whereas right now, that's friggin' 2-finger combo right there. Yeah, I mean, we're pretty high up front right now as well. Got some gap, but we got so much poke right now, we need some space because this is gonna rub. The plan is just to wide body this in the near future. So that way it's gonna look a little bit better and I'm not gonna have to worry about rubbing quite as much, but I think we're gonna have to lower that down just a smidge right now. That's some monster truck fitment right there. I'm gonna take a break real quick before I adjust the height of that because I'm gonna start on the next thing real quick, which is a new steering rack. Boom, baby, the exciting stuff. So if you saw our last video, we were messing around with the Beamer and I thought I needed new inner tie rods. Turns out it's actually the rack. So ordered this, we're gonna throw this in. Hopefully it's quick and easy, I've never done this before, but we'll see how it goes. Got the old rack out, pretty straightforward. We're putting the new rack in. Everything was going pretty good, it's looking nice and shiny. And the banjo bolt, oh, that's not supposed to happen. Anyway, so we're gonna have to finish that in the morning, but everything else on it is ready to go. Thumbs up. Woo-hoo! Let's get to work. I didn't show the entire process here, but all I'm doing is taking off the wheels so I can lower the rear springs and then put it all back together. Okay, let's drop it down and see how it sits now. It's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. I don't want it too low because I've been rubbing tires a lot when I'm drifting it. That's it's actually a little higher than I thought when I was standing up, but race car fitment.
Race car fitment.
There's race car fitment right there.
Not for who it's for.
Good enough for who it's for, which is me.
Yeah.
Once we get a wide body, then I can go lower. Right now, it just rubs too much. A little update. This thing's gonna look super clean when Sam's done. With the cover on. Just gonna be right there.
So much customization always.
This is our custom guy. He keeps the channel going.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Oh my gosh, how does it feel first drive?
Feels amazing. The new suspension feels so good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, on the road. Oh, don't mind that. On the road again, though. Steering feels tighter.
So that feels tight.
Yeah, that's the biggest difference I feel. It's just that the steering's actually tight. Yeah, we're rubbing up front. Like, damn.
Oh boy.
Oh shoot. Oh, 360.
I'm in the glove box, bro. Sorry, I was playing around.
Everything was rubbing right there, though. Everything. Evan cleaned his Corvette for the first time in a while, and
Finally looked good again.
it looks so good now.
And it drives good because it looks good.
I haven't seen this clean since the first time you came and cleaned it.
That's right.
Not as clean as that, though.
Man, look at this dirty Corvette right here.
Bro, chill.
It's rad, isn't it?
Got the winch installed. She's done.
Is that nice?
Yeah, that's
I
nice.
think that's pretty nice.
I think it's nice.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, do you think it's nice, Ian?
I think it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the slowest thing I've ever seen. Wait, stay there!
Can't let go!
My arm!
Almost as good as mine.
Oh my gosh! You made it so It bent the fender in.
What? What?
That's crazy.
I didn't even notice at first. I was looking at the wheel, or the tire.
Horsepower? Who needs horsepower? When you got a car that weighs 2 pounds.
That's crazy.
Red M&M.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh! It died.
We're dead, dude.
Found on road dead.
Sam, push me the last.
I think we should make Evan push you.
Dude, your car sucks, man. Get a new car already.
Does it start? It starts.
The fenders match now, guys.
Yeah, matching fenders.
Dude, chill, bro. I was joking. Guess you have to buy them now.
God,
Why didn't you tell me that first?
Well, that's a wrap on suspension for the E36. Lots coming with this. You guys saw the fenders, how they're messed up now. Wide body's on its way. A lot more track days coming up with this thing. We're gonna be taking it to a lot of the Utah drift events this year and just having a good time with this thing and keep building it out and getting seat time. So thanks for watching.